taking a look at next week in the markets, Brad, what kind of economic data can we expect?
Well, the big economic report coming out next week is going to be the third quarter GDP report, and that is, I think it's kind of a lagging indicator in some ways compared to, say, the jobs report and the inflation report for September that are already out. But, it's kind of a political talking point in some ways. This will be the last, big economic report before the midterm elections. I don't know what necessarily that implies for Bitcoin, but, the big debate is whether, we went into a recession this year. And again, it's just always a talking point because, the economy, unemployment's at 3.5%. Everybody has a job pretty much if they want one. Wages are going up. And that's, again, the problem with the inflation situation. But so this will be kind of a lagging indicator, but again, might, be something if we have a positive number, then people will say, oh yeah, see, we told you we were not in a recession. If there's some surprise, it's supposed to be positive 1.7%. So
what about that trading range for Bitcoin, Brad? We're often seeing these signals that it's due for a breakout.
Jocelyn Young, one of our markets reporters, she had a piece out today noting that Bitcoin has actually, this is 14 straight days under 20K and just right under 20K. Bitcoin is not really doing that much, but it is staying, even intraday has not gone above 20K in the past 14 days. It's really in this tight range right now. It's going to break out at some point. We don't know which way. But, probably looking at 20K on the upside, 18K. It's hard to say, which way it's going to break right now. It could kind of go either way. But that's probably the range we're in right now, and those would be the levels people be watching.
Also next week, watch out for CoinDesk's Trading Week, where we have a week-long series on all the ways that crypto offers innovative and novel ways to trade. Check that out because you're not in it for the tech, right? So check out those articles running all week long. Also, Cheyenne, what will you be looking at next week?
So Brad touched on this a little bit, but my team, the regulatory team, will definitely be mostly looking at the upcoming midterm elections. There's a lot going on, and the next few weeks we'll definitely be pursuing a lot of stories about different elections and fundraising and crypto packs and all that good stuff.